That means it's going to be a really good one because we started off with a kiss.
Because I love you guys.
I'm Corey.
I'm Jillian. I'm Jacob.
And we're living in Diz. We're here at Epcot today, and we're going to hang out for some park fun.
And I'm going to get some bubble tea for sure because it isn't an Epcot visit without getting bubble milk tea.
We're trying to change our format a little bit. We're going to see if we can show you some areas in the park and make you guess where we are in the park. And we might run into a cast member or something like that and interact. And,
can you guys guess where we are right now? What specific location?
I think, didn't we say we were here? A specific location. You see the ball there, but what is over to my left?
Our left. Typically, you're right, I think.
Yeah. So we'll play some games, we'll have some fun, we may find a tip or a trick somewhere. Let's go! 10% chance of rain, they say today, but it's a little windy and cloudy, but it feels nice. So we're in Epcot, it's park fun. I've got to show you my loyalty. Don't hate us, don't unsubscribe. If you're not with us, you're against us, we understand.
You can't even see it.
Oh, what? It's right there, you know? And look at the shirt.
Sadly, mine hasn't come in yet, but it's coming in, so.
Show the respect. Just show us respect, people. And Jacob's also matching dad today. So, that's all I got to say about that. Now on to Disney. Jacob wanted to show off his Patriots gear. Matching dad. Matching dad. That's what we do. This is a different statue today. He's like bronze. Check him out. Just imagine staying that stiff and still. There's actually 3 of them. Oh, he's rubbing her cheek. Look at that. He looks like a golden trophy. It's amazing. There's a Rocket Man. Ooh, he's moving. Ooh.
Exclusive sneak peek for Flower and Garden Festival here, living in Diz.
The flowers are in. Just what, 2 weeks ago they were not in. And they are here. Exclusive sneak peek for Flower and Garden.
Living in Diz. Trademark.
Trademark it. We have the scrim up here for Butterfly Garden. March 6th to June 3rd. There you go. Yeah, that's normally where the Butterfly Garden goes. And you can see all the supports there for the tent. And Jillian just can't stop dancing. She's happy she's at Epcot today.
Or was it the froyo? It's the moving bushes.
It's the moving bushes. We found the moving bushes. Right there. You never know when those bushes are going to turn up.
No, you don't.
Those moving bushes, huh? What? Go away green. Oh yes, Disney tries to paint everything green so you can't see it, and it blends in.
Things you don't want to see, so it's a boring color, so you won't want to look at it.
You won't pay attention. The direction of that water always freaks me out and confuses me, no matter how many times I see it. Guess what? Still confused.
The last time we were on this ride, we found a piece of duct tape on a piece of the ride. Let's see if it's still there.
It's Mexican Small World.
Attention passengers, we're currently experiencing some technical difficulties. Please remain seated with your hands, arms, legs, and feet inside until it.
I found the duct tape. Here comes the duct tape. There's the duct tape. It's on the back of the flower. Disney, can we do better than that?
It was after a Donna Piano.
I told you.
I told you. We are all very excited to go meet Vanellope Von Schweetz and Wreck-It Ralph in their new location, and I hope you are too.
So if you've seen the movie, Ralph Breaks the Internet, this is how you enter the internet. That is how Vanellope and Ralph entered. And trouble ensued from there. So there's the area where you can meet Ralph and Vanellope. It's the new area. Cool design in the back. And the line is way too long, so we are not going to wait in there. But you guys get the idea. This is where you will meet them now instead of the temporary spot where they were last week. Pretty neat. When you exit Figment, they have a magic photo studio here, and these are the newest photos you can choose from.
It's too long to wait.
Where they superimpose you in.
Isn't that sad though?
Frozen, Disney, some villains, Mickey and Minnie, Jake and the Neverland Pirates, some princesses, and so on. This is a sample of what they cost. I'm sorry. This is a sample of what they look like when they superimpose you. I am not sure of the price.
So this is a fun little new thing that we thought of to do in Epcot. It's a little Where Am I? And actually we're going to do it for all the parks. This is very, very fun. So, where am I? If you know, please comment down below.
Come on, I know you do. As we made a magic winter show with summer snow for spending me and you. Oh, we're going up to Elsie's Ice Palace with you.
That's cool, huh?
You, all of you. See you there. Unselfish acts of true love and
In forever. Carrots for Sven.
Are you ready to see
I don't think he's going to be eating for a while. Slam that door. Misty Fog. They should use that on Haunted Mansion. As you get whacked around, here is the Snow Geese. If you didn't know what their names were, the baby snowmen are Snow Geese. And there's 3 of them on Marshmallow. We made it. Puddle.
Exactly. When life gets rough, I like to hold on to my dream of relaxing in the summer sun. Just let no steam. On the sky and blue. And you guys will be there too. When I finally do what frozen things do in summer.
Oh my, there's 4 of you.
Well, there's 3.
Plus you.
Oh, right.
Right? Yes.
Guess what?
I don't know. You ever notice this guy never really touches the actual paper? Call me crazy, but these new walkway areas are new here in Epcot.
We've actually seen them here for a while. We just never go over.
New to me. Look at this one. Rather than just having starlights like on the other side, these are really neat.
Dad, this would be a cool picture.
Park Fun crowd level check for the International Festival of the Arts, which is almost complete. Show it off. Show it off. Oh, girl. Oh, girl. Wow. You're good at the fan thing. I think this is the absolute best time to enjoy the World Showcase at dusk. Always beautiful, right? Nice cool breeze. Very relaxing. Even amongst this crowd. It's a bubble storm. We're caught in a bubble storm. Oh. Here's our pick for the coolest merch in China. Look at that. Look at that. 16 bucks. And it's got the yin and the yang.
There's some Chinese on it.
And it has some Chinese on it. Very nice. So I came up with a new term. Vacation frustration. You know what that means?
No.
It's when you witness family members getting frustrated and yelling at each other right here in Disney, and you just wonder, wow, how can that happen? You're in Disney, the happiest place on earth. But vacation frustration happens when people are tired and somebody wants to do something else and they disagree and whatever else happens, and there you go. Vacation frustration.
There was a kid crying back there.
Yeah.
I think she was mad that she didn't get her Elsa doll.
I think so. So there again, she demonstrated vacation frustration. We have some Ratatouille chalk art. Look at that. Amazing. Just so you guys know, Figment closes sometime after 6, and so does the gourmet food popcorn cart. So if you want to get that stuff done in Epcot, don't wait until later. It's crap! Before we get our snack for the night, Jillian has just told me how digestion begins, and I think that you should know this.
Digestion begins through the mouth. You chew and you swallow, right? And your mouth produces saliva, but doesn't really, because your salivary glands produce the saliva, and in saliva is enzymes that break down food.
Let's go to Decadent Delights, and we are going to order the Painter's Palette, which looks just like this. Should be good.
We got the Painter's Palette, and here it has like icing, or I'm not sure what this is, and it comes with a paintbrush, and you can like paint on the cookie. That's very cool. Let's paint.
Oh, she's actually painting with it.
Yeah.
Look at that. So it's a big fat chocolate chip cookie looking like a painter's palette, and they give you icing colored that looks like paint. Turn it so I can see it when you're done. There we go. Nice recovery.
Living in Diz.
Living in Diz.
And it's kind of hard with this kind of paintbrush because it's like those cheap little brushes that come with like those like little kids like watercolor sets, you know, like Crayola, like that kind of thing.
But still really cool.
But it
so
is,
give it a try.
Living in Diz.
The cookie and some icing. See, I just thought it was cool that you got the paintbrush and you know, they gave you some icing that looked like paint on it. But we're actually having some fun with this. We are getting our money's worth with this. Jillian's making different colors, and she is using that paintbrush to the best of her imagination. I mean, look at it.
Orange.
Ooh, she made orange.
Wait.
Look at that. Bud took a real colorful portion of that cookie.
So, let's give it a try.
You found one more creative thing to do with this cookie.
Y'all should really try this new lipstick. It's like better than Kylie Jenner. It's better than MAC, better than anything. It's edible. It's very good. It tastes very good. Disney's coming for your wigs. Watch out, makeup brands. Watch out, Sephora. Sephora who? I don't know her. The icing is very good. It's basically your normal chocolate chip cookie. It's just really big. It looks like a painter's palette, which is really cool. Like Jill's doing, you can use a paintbrush and make different colors out of it.
Exactly.
Like art, like this.
a heart of some sort. So, your thoughts on the cookie?
I tried, I can't see. It's good. And it's really fun because, and like you can like mix colors. It's just really creative.
Yeah.
It's very cool.
Yeah, a lot more fun than I thought when we bought it. So once again, that's a really cool, do it again. So I guess my final words on the Painter's Palette, they kind of said it all. It's a good cookie. I think it's a fine cookie. It's a chocolate chip cookie, nothing outstanding. A little on the sweeter side. And I think as far as the novelty of it, putting the fake paint down on there with the icing and giving the kids the paintbrush, we just found out all the cool things you could do with it. So that was pretty neat. So only $5.50, one of the cheaper snacks you can get here at the International Festival of the Arts.
It's definitely worth every cent you pay.
And it is. And so I will say this. If you want to compare that one to the Num Num cookie, the Num Num cookie is a lot better. But there's a novelty here too. So if you can make it here before the International Festival of the Arts is over, I say you come on and try the Painter's Palette. That's going to do it for Park Fun tonight. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you give us a big thumbs up and make sure you ring that bell and you'll be notified.
Give us a like if you do like this.
Yes.
If you enjoy our silliness, our weirdness, our craziness.
Yeah, all of it. So, for now, I'm Corey.
I'm Jillian.
And we're living in Diz.